Doreen 𝗔𝗓𝗢𝗃𝗧 is the
Dr. Doreen is an expert in autism.
Doreen 𝗔𝗓𝗢𝗃𝗧.
Dr. 𝗔𝗓𝗢𝗃𝗧.
Dr. Doreen 𝗔𝗓𝗢𝗃𝗧.
Dr. Doreen 𝗔𝗓𝗢𝗃𝗧 is a visionary in the field of autism. Now you can ask her questions on Ask Dr. Doreen. Fortune says, hi, our insurance approved 8 hours of ABA for our daughter, but I can't find any agency that can provide that. We started 4 hours last month with one agent that promised the full 8 hours soon. Unfortunately, our RBT quit without notice to us or the agency. Now we are down to 0 ABA. I'm thinking about working with 2 different agencies to get the full, and she put 49 hours a week. So I don't know if they were saying 8 hours a day, but what are your thoughts about trying to piece it together with 2 different agencies, Dr. 𝗔𝗓𝗢𝗃𝗧?
Yeah, I mean, there are a few difficulties when you're working with 2 different agencies. Just scheduling being one of them, but also technique, and it's hard to explain this because ABA has a lot of different factors that are important, and 2 supervisors, 2 BCBAs might have completely different styles. Not to mention that 2 different agencies might be using 2 completely different curricula. So it is really important that there be consistency in the overall program. I don't really recommend 2 agencies. It is a lot of work trying to get them consistent with each other. But on the other hand, I really want your child to have more hours. So one way to do it, if you were to go, first of all, most agencies don't agree to you having another agency. But if you find 2 agencies that are willing to work with each other, then I highly recommend that you separate the actual complete curriculum areas. So in other words, you would have one agency working on, let's say, language and social skills, the other agency, for instance, working on adaptive and challenging, I don't know, like split the issues so that they're not stepping on each other. That becomes its own problem.
It's so hard, but I appreciate the ingenuity of that. Gemma has written in and said, hello, I find that fidget aids with me to help stop meltdowns, or like Dr. 𝗔𝗓𝗢𝗃𝗧 said, writing in my journal. And thank you, Gemma. I love all the support that you guys have written in for Parker and the suggestions and the good jobs. Absolutely amazing. Don't forget, you can watch Ask Dr. Doreen live every Tuesday morning at 10 a.m. Pacific time. We hope to see you there.